Alright, I got an 8,000 watt version 10 split phase power jack. Nothing but problems, gonna be honest. Every aspect of this has been a problem. Let's go ahead and power it on. First things first, the voltage readout on the display. This is 40 volts. We'll just assume that's wrong. Right. It's not on power save. So not really sure what's going on there. But if I hook a multimeter up to neutral and the hot leg, we are getting 117, 116. So that's reading okay. The reason I bought this inverter is because I really wanted to correctly wire into my panel using two separate legs at 110 each, or 116, whatever it's going to end up being. But it appears that it's not going to be that easy. So let's take a look here. I'm assuming top one, leg 2 on the bottom. The middle would have been a neutral on the previous version, which doesn't make sense why you would remove that, because if anybody wants to wire it to the panel, it's gonna look like a hillbilly did it. Maybe you're gonna pull off the neutral down here because it's all combined, but kind of crap. So let me see if I can power this back on. So let's just say that I want to use two separate legs, so that I can get my 220 if I need it. I don't use it, but if I want it, I want it. That's the whole reason for purchasing this thing. Let me see if I can find an alligator clamp here. Apparently I don't have one handy, so we'll try it a little bit here. I'll turn this up. Alright. Hopefully you can read the voltage. So I'm going to leg 1. So you can see leg 1 to neutral, right? So that says 234 volts. Leg 2 to neutral, nothing, no readout. I don't understand. These combined, leg 1 and 2, should get me 220. Leg 2 in neutral should get me 220, or 110, 120. And leg 1 in neutral. For whatever reason, that reads out 234 volts. I don't understand. It's the red wire. I haven't taken it apart, but I would assume that this also using the red wire, it's just looping up. Don't understand it whatsoever. Maybe it's me. So now we're at once, but I do get 110 out of there. Next problem is anytime I plug anything into this thing, it sounds like it's about to explode. Not even with a large draw. Let me find something to plug into it. How about a lamp? This is not a big bulb. It's probably, what do we got here? This is a 1 watt bulb, so this probably isn't going to do anything. That is working. Let's see here, what else do we got? Step it up to a 13 watt light bulb. Well, that's going to say 3 watts. So maybe that one's not enough. I got a fluorescent light fixture here. 4 foot. Probably two 30 watt bulbs. Two 32 watt light bulbs. Let's see what this sucker sounds like. Yeah, not great. Sounds terrible. The voltage is probably just a tiny bit low. This is just a test battery to hook it up inside on my test bench. I'm sure it's fine. But even when I have a 1600 amp hour battery bank hooked up to this thing, it sounds like crap. It sounds horrible. I didn't do this for the first 2 weeks I had it. I put probably 15 kilowatts worth of power through it. Seemed to work fine. But immediately when I received the unit, I did not have 110 when combining these legs to neutral. Didn't happen. 230 off leg 1, 0 off of leg 2 when bonded with neutral. I don't know what to do with this thing. The other issue, it immediately overheats if you try to use it for charging batteries. You cannot charge batteries with this thing. It's just not going to happen. Anyhow, not too happy with this thing. Not sure what to do with it. Send it back. Buy a name brand. I don't know. Thanks for watching.